Hello everyone. How are you all? I hope so बढ़िया. So today we will be solving this problem at matrix zeros, which is a medium level question, and it is the part of the daily coding challenge at Geeks for Geeks. So let's start without any further delay. So what this problem states: you are given a 2D matrix mat of size n cross m. The task is to modify the matrix such that matrix Ij is 0. All the elements in the ith row and the jth column are set to 0. Okay, so this is the given input and this is the given output for the particular case. So we have to modify this matrix such that if we encounter a 0 in any cell of the matrix, so the respective row and the respective column of that index will be having all zeros, and we have to do it in place. Like, we don't have to return a new array, we have to just make changes in this old array so that it becomes like this. Okay, so what are the observations? Our observations are, we need to fill zeros in whole row and whole column where we encounter 0. Okay, so for this we have encountered a 0 here, and we have filled this entire column and entire row with 0. Second observation, only initial positions and row columns are need to be filled. Okay, so what is meant by that? Like this, let's take this example. We have this input matrix and this is the output matrix. So we have encountered a 0 in here, so we have to fill this entire column and this entire row with 0, and this is what we have done in here. This entire column is 0 or this entire row is 0. Now what is meant by initial position? Like, we have 0 in here in the initial position in the input matrix, so we have to fill only this row, this column and this row set to 0, and no need to set like we have a 0 here and we gonna fill this row also 0, we have a 0 here and this. No, we don't need to. We just need to set the zeros to the initial positions. So let's solve the example. You get an understanding. So after discussing this much problem, we are sure that we have to keep track of the initial positions of the 0 wherever we have the zeros in the initial position. So we have to take a 2D matrix, Boolean matrix, which have zeros matrix, we can call it. So this is the original matrix and this is the 0 matrix. So now we will start traversing from here to from this position to this position. Okay, so let's start. We have a 1, so we don't do anything, rather we put a cross here. We have a minus 0, minus 1, no 0, 1, no 0, minus 1, no 0, it's a 0, so we have to mark it. Minus 1, no 0, 1, no 0, minus 1, no 0, 1, no 0. Now after this we will start traversing this matrix, and wherever we have a check, we have to go to the original matrix and mark this and this as zeros. Okay, so that I will take you to the code editor and start coding this solution for you. I hope you like it. Okay, so right, this is the problem. So initially we have to take two variables for the lengths n and n. Okay, so now we have to take Boolean matrix zeros. Right. What is happening? I don't know. N plus n. So okay, now let's start traversing. I equals 0, I is less than n, I plus 4, int j equals 0, j is less than m, j plus. If matrix I and j is equals to 0, so we have to mark this. We have to mark this in. Okay, now start traversing the 0 matrix. see, there are multiple solutions. We have a solution with a headset also, but this is one of the best solution. If sorry, zeros I and j is true, so we have to call a function ith row, jth column. This is the okay. We have to return method like private void fill int row int column. This is the length and the matrix itself. Okay, so first of all, let's fill the rows. So int I equals 0, I is less than n I plus plus. So matrix of see, the row is constant, only column is constant, equals to 0. Let's fill the column. So for int I equals 0, I is less than n I plus plus. Matrix, this time row is moving and the column is constant. So now let's try to compile and run whether it is working or not. Yes, it is working fine. Now let's submit it. I hope this will work. It should work. It is running. Okay. Yeah, so it is perfectly running fine. So that's all for today. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and share the video with your classmates also. Okay, thank you guys.